To start moonflower seeds indoors, start them 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost in a well-draining seed starting mix. To plant them about a 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil moist but not soggy. And then to plant them outdoors, wait until the threat of frost has passed. Transplant the seedlings outdoors in a sunny location with well-drained soil, and provide a trellis or fence or something for them to climb on. Water them regularly during hot, dry weather, but avoid over-watering as it can lead to root rot. Fertilizing every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer, and prune as needed to shape the plant to encourage more blooms. Provide a sturdy trellis or fence for the vines to climb on. Moonflowers bloom at night and close during the day. And they attract pollinators like moths and hummingbirds.